Salam, hello, and welcome. And today we are working with Rust. And we will see how we remove Rust the right way and then apply the right treatment. And we are going to change this rusty frame into that. There's too much rust in this area. I'll spray WD-40 on it. Let it soak for a few minutes, let it take its time. After the WD-40 took its time, I sprayed brake cleaner to clean the surface. I thought the camera was on, but it wasn't. I sprayed some brake clean and all of that was paint. It's not even powder coating. So I'm gonna have to remove this now and prep the surface for the treatment. Rule number 1, work smarter, don't work harder. If you have power tools, use them, and you need to use them. And so I started working with the wired wheel to remove the rust from the surface. While the one on this rotary tool was working okay, I realized that this is for the corners, for the smaller, tinier details. And so I moved to a bigger wire wheel to address the rust on this surface. Rule number 2, make sure that you leave not single speck of rust. Those little brown spots that you are leaving, they are seed rust, and that's where the rust grow again. I could remove more of these. Rule number 3, make sure you clean the surface very well before painting. Okay, so now after removing all the rust and the rust seed, I'm going to clean it in preparation for paint. I'm spraying carb cleaner. You can use brake cleaner. Both will have the same effect and both are excellent solvents. Okay, give it a final clean. Welcome to Dubai, where the temperature of everything and anything is 45 to 44 degrees. And this is at night, it's not even the daytime. So I'm doing all of these videos for you guys in this hot, unbearable, humid weather. The least you can do for me is like the video, subscribe to the channel, and in return, I'll answer any questions you ask in the comments. Even the plants, that's 45, 44.9. This is 45, this tree is boiling. That tree is 45.3. It's even boiling more. Everything here is 45 degrees at night. So thank you for the like and thank you for subscribing. Rule number 4, when you apply masking, you cover everything that you don't want the paint to reach to. I'm going to start with the small tiny areas where I don't want the paint to go to, like here. We went down to the bare metal and it's nice, clean, free of any rust. It has been prepared for the paint and we are ready to go ahead with the paint. So for that, I'm going to be using this primer. And this is a high temperature primer. It can sustain up to 2000 degrees Fahrenheit, which is not the condition in this area, but it's better to be prepared. So I like the color of that as well. I also applied masking tape under the engine because I need to spray the bottom as well. Alright, so now we prepared the surface, it's free of rust, we applied primer, and we are ready to paint it. And look at that silvery color. I actually like it. It looks nice. And you want the paint to be everywhere. Okay, so now we got the first coat nice and ready, and it's time to apply the second one. And here is the result of all of that preparation, all of that work. And really, I'm proud of the result. This looks even better than new. I would recommend using solvent-resistant paint, especially for application like the dirt bikes. Thank you very much for watching. Take care, be safe, and do it yourself.